Imagine for a moment that you are having a best diet in your life. You are having salads, chapatis, and only home based food. But still, whenever any kind of weather changes happens, you are the first persons who get affected by the weather change. If your answer is yes, it was the my story also. Although I was going to gym, I was having a good diet, especially the home-based diet, but I was not getting the result, and I was the first person who was affected by the weather change in my life. Hi, this is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to lose their fat. Friends, as I was mentioning to you that I was the first person who used to be affected by the weather changes as per my previous conditions. Today I will tell you about the what three major changes which I have made in my life, which has given me the power, which has improved my immune system so much. Although I was consuming the good home based food, but I did not have the knowledge about the food nutrition, macronutrients, and the way to adapt a healthy lifestyle, which means the fitness is not a time era for me, but fitness is a lifestyle for me. But once I find out, from that very time my fitness is on the peak. I am 36, 37-year old person, but my fitness is on my peak of my age or my life. The three major changes which I have made and which has impacted my life so much, today I will share with you. The number one change: I used to be a chain smoker, and the smoking was really impacting me so much. I was not able to breathe good. So that's why whenever there is a winter season, I was the first person who caught cough. And I was wondering that half of my heart wanted to quit the cigarette and half of my heart wanted to consume the cigarette. But I fought. I fought really well and I became victor, not the victim. I took some of the I read a book known as How to Quit Smoking of Alan Carl, and I took an online program that whyquit.com. And these both the things are quite free and the book does not charge you much. So on these both of the things I come to know about, I have gained the knowledge that why I am smoking the cigarette and why how cigarette impacts me or usually how cigarette works on me or works on any person. So that's why a person feels like that he does not have the willpower, although it is not his fault because it is a kind of a drug addiction. Once I gained the knowledge, I tried out and I quit the smoking. Now it is a history for me. You can also do it. And once I stopped my smoking, my life became kind of paradise. Now I don't have even the no, I don't even think about the cigarette. I don't have any kind of feeling about the cigarette because my heart has left the cigarette. You can also do it. It's a way, it's a skill you can learn in online. The second thing which I adapted, I used to be scared of proteins. I was not consuming protein. Once I quit my smoking, the new drug addiction has started. The addiction of food, junk food, desserts, sweet foods, tea. They became the substitute of cigarette in my life. That's why I gained 20 kg of weight after quitting my smoking. I was not aware that eating is also, and the sugar and the junk food and especially the sugar is also another kind of drug comparatively to cigarette. And many of the Indian females and Indian people and we consume sugar in form of tea every day. I quit sugar and I started having protein in my diet. So what if you consume a cup of tea, then consume 3 eggs. The 3 white eggs, both are the same. So this is how I have made the changes. I have started consuming protein and I have quit the sugar. The third major change, I was afraid of consuming fats. I used to believe that the vegetable oil and a ghee, they both have the difference. They both going to impact me differently in my body. The ghee is going to become fat in my body, but the oil is already liquid. It is not. But it is a myth. I was fooled. I did not have the knowledge about the subject. The fact is that the ghee is the most Ayurvedic substance in India, which usually foreigner people apply in their food. They order in a bulk that what is this Ayurvedic substance. That's why we call cow as our mother, just because of the ghee and all the other things. I started consuming good fats, not in much, but I have left the vegetable oil and I have started consuming ghee in my life. In the same way, and my immunity has become strong. So these are the three major changes which I have adapted, which gives me a good skin, good hair, good energy, so that I'm communicating with you in a really well manner, just because of the good food sources or the clean diet which I usually eat in my life. Friends, if you want to start your health regime, if you want to lose up to 10 kg with the modern and scientific methods of ketogenic intermittent dieting methods, and you want a guaranteed life changes in terms of your fitness in your life, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now. Until we meet again.